Hi, I'm Federico from VisionTech, and today I want to talk to you about the Welded Junctions VisionPuzzle DS. VisionPuzzle DS is the new interlocking technique that we use to realise welded junctions on the Vision M-tooth open-end belts. With this groundbreaking technique, the tooth belt becomes a real hybrid, a middle ground between the traditional welded belts and the truly endless flex belts. Advantages: improved load holding and resistance to heavy solicitations, also in case of stop and go. Performance is similar to the Flex Truly endless tooth belts with reduced delivery times. The particular interlocking design of this junction offers a traction load 30% higher compared to the classic Vision W welded junction. Available in all tooth pitches starting with a minimum width of 16mm. The interlocking design that holds the junction edges will always guarantee a perfectly vulcanized welding. Fields of application: the interlocking junctions, VisionPuzzle DS, are particularly indicated for the synchronized product conveying. For more information, you can visit our website visiontech.it. Thank you and see you soon.